Okay, Johnny. What is the name of the book?
Easy Pet Rabbits.
Okay.
But if I don't put the head, I can see Pet Rabbits. Hi, my name is Johnny, and I'm going to read Pet Rabbits. And when I read it done, I'll talk about Pet Rabbits. Rabbits are soft and cuddly. They can live in a cage inside or outside. They are easy to feed and clean. You can learn to take care of a rabbit by yourself. A rabbit makes a good pet. You can find rabbits for sale in a big pet store. Some of the rabbits have tall ears. Some have floppy ears. Some of the rabbits have straight fur. Some have curly fur. Rabbits come in different sizes. A mini rabbit stays small. You can hold it in one hand. If a giant rabbit stood up, it would reach the top of your bed. You need a lot of space for a giant rabbit. An outside rabbit. A pet rabbit can live outside. It will need a big cage made of wood and wire. The cage should not get too hot or too cold. A rabbit needs lots of straw to make a nest inside the cage. And inside the rabbit. What if you don't have a yard? A pet rabbit can live inside. It will need a cage to sleep in. The cage should have a water bottle. Clean the cage and change the water every day. Feeding. Pet rabbits eat special dry rabbit food. You can buy it at the pet store. They also like fresh fruit and vegetables, and apples, cabbage, and carrots are good rabbit food. Cleaning. Sometimes rabbits get dirt stuck in their fur. A rabbit uses its row of teeth like a comb to get clean. You can help too. You can brush your rabbit every day. Brush. Going to the vet. You should take your rabbit to the vet. After she has weighed the rabbit, she will check its heart. She will ask if the pet has drooled. That might mean it has a bad tooth. Making friends. A rabbit will be shy when you first get it. First, let a rabbit sniff you. Then, pat it very gently. A rabbit does not need special toys or collars. What a rabbit needs most is a friend like you.
Okay, Johnny. What is the name of the book?
Easy Pet Rabbits.
Okay.
But if I don't put the head, I can see Pet Rabbits.
Okay. What are rabbits like?
Food.
No, what are they like?
Oh. What?
They're soft.
They're cuddly.
Okay. Where can they live?
They can live outside and inside.
In a cage or not in a cage?
In a cage. If it lives outside, it can poop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn. Are they easy or hard to feed and clean?
Yes, it's easy.
Okay. Now, look at these three rabbits. Which one do you like best?
The black rabbit is not okay. This one is too floppy ears. Okay. This one's me. I like this.
Which one?
This one.
Okay. This one has tall ears or short ears?
This one is floppy ears.
No, tall or short ears.
Short.
Okay.
This one's tall. No.
Floppy or not floppy?
Floppy?
They're not floppy. Floppy means it goes down like this.
Oh.
Does it have straight fur or curly fur?
This one is straight.
Okay.
I got all the answers right.
Do rabbits come in different sizes?
Yeah, a mini rabbit is so small, but a giant rabbit, I don't know what its name is, but it can reach a bed. They say we need a big cage for it, and
Okay.
the rabbits.
Can you hold a giant rabbit in one hand?
No, only a mini rabbit. A mini rabbit is small.
Okay.
I see.
A pet rabbit can live outside. What will the cage be made of?
With a wire? Yes,
Okay.
I see.
Wood and wire.
Yeah,
Is the cage big or small?
big,
Should it be too hot or too cold?
medium.
Okay. What does it need to make a nest? What does the rabbit need to make a nest?
Jaws?
Straw.
Yes. Nobody needs jaws because there's not one straw that can make all the nests.
You don't put eggs with straw. Now, what if you don't have a yard?
We can put it inside and put a cage and put it for water to do.
Should we clean and change the water every day or every week?
Every day. Are you kidding me?
Now, what do pet rabbits eat?
Apples, cabbage, carrots.
Are they special dry rabbit food?
No.
Where can you buy it?
I can buy it at the pet store.
Okay. You buy special dry rabbit food at the pet store. And apples, cabbage, and carrots are not special dry rabbit food. They're fresh fruit and vegetables.
Yeah. Okay.
What happens when rabbits get dirt in their fur?
Clean. Get the teeth. Oh, we can comb it. No, we can comb it.
You can brush it.
Yes. We can brush it.
Now, what is the first thing the vet does to the rabbit?
What? I know the number 2 is check its heart.
So what's the first?
The rabbit goes to the vet.
No. The vet will weigh the rabbit
Why?
because she needs to know.
Afterwards.
If the pet has drooled, what does that mean?
It has about 2 pee.
Now,
Do you want the rabbit?
what should you do first when you get a pet rabbit? First, you let a rabbit sniff you.
Why?
Okay.
When you throw the rabbit off to my neighbor's house.
No, Johnny.
Yeah.
First, let a rabbit sniff you. Then, what do?
I will what? I will. My friends?
You will pet it
Okay.
very gently. Now, does a rabbit need special toys or collars?
Nope.
So, what does it need most?
You.
Okay. And do you think rabbits are good pets?
No.
Why?
Because when the rabbit comes into a garden and then my dad will do the the poet friend. And
He has allergies.
yeah, he has allergies and he gets to the hospital. That's why I don't like Mom to go to the hospital. And then other people must go to this house. Well, Grandpa always do that.
Okay. We're done.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.